Chinsa ni Isano na Ibere rituko rya Jumaine gitariki 15 mutinyo gatano gatatu mwaka wa 2023 ekarango kwaria ni asemese yuramana alende gwateka ime na isiko ya Gusii ekarango koborina ohire libagalia oria bene oramana alende gwateka ime na isiko yense yeito ya Kenya anene korwa chingongo inye chense einiria nyimo cha sugusu amo na bosongo kanose beteni gwenda gutwara rituko rya oria Jumaine ligi ya andonsi soberete na mangana dokarakana ime na isiko ya Gusii ekere kiombekeli getenete kuriri amaguta gose ipura Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority ganyade kigokana bone serikali terabe kabese gochiase kiombekyo anene mwekado na subsidy ase ekerenga kimaguta kone nigo batena nigo batumekire enjere ngao elikwene kibuna ba Kenya bari gochiko garameka gose bari gochiko irira samaguta mange ekara maguta ayo agochi gosatigarede ko gorwa ligoriri elio motienyori oetete korengana na bakenya bangi nibo maitena gitariki 14 katoso gitariki 15 ekiombeki nigo kego chenji ligoria maguta kolende nigo batigete akababuna arenge bona konye abakenya bakorera Wense Dr. Wiramto amono mokonyo amo na baraibande nigo bare ase county ya Nakuru asensemo ya Njoro keroba wikarana asomo yega buokomoenia David Chibkony oyo ore oyoro mogaka bwa omubunge bwensemeli ya enseme ya Njoro Katambis Charity no are no barase ensemeyu poigo moraibo mo bwasimiro moja rera morodinga amo na baraibande babakaronso musyo kama takarwa mo na baraibande bo mo bwasimiro moja nigo barobere na baraikirane asa matanga ayamo asensemo ya Emali Makweni ayu ala ya Brian Mwendwa oyo kageire nani gasitu bogma bwae kubatkana ne wakwalisa sekorwa korobekana asensemeyo ya Makweni ayo na yanda korekana imeneske usiko ne kukobolina kabamo na nje omnyayande na koreneria si Chinsa jiga Auta ne rora sensemeli yo munwe manyyo abere nyanja mene kuna malyogine chibichago cheira senchera ya bene kuna botamberiane Brighton Makori. Tiga bontoya chake koru se abarai bechikanisa koru sorongo rwausi nigo bono banyarire bakuboli abana siasa nabarai abakoru sorongo rwausi na sensito ya Kenya akwene kuna nkosira bare chikanisa ekero chitagete omochango gosekara batagete chibese chugosiro ali bwekanisa kolengana no munyakero bwekanisa ya Faith of All Cross keroka Catholic oyibo igole omuriki bwekombe gya Gusii Council of Elders bosire angwenyi nigo bananyade kawate abuna enjere yamo yogosire kanisa nigo nere agendere gukora Amayia kolengana ni gadene kanisa nigo yabeire esire nene anna sokoralia omorembe asense yakende ya kwanza yakere kanisa yabo atogosangiriria ende kwegendereria nonye na magacho yekanisa hiyo.
Hii kanisa letu tunatarajia hata serikali yenyewe na maofisa wa serikali, wanasiasa na wote watatusaidia kuweka mkono hapa, kwa sababu kanisa yenyewe inasimamia mambo ya amani. Ndio the custodian of peace. Pia ndio inasimamia mambo ya development. Na development hapa ni mambo ya mahospitali ambao kanisa inasimamia, inaendesha. Mambo ya education kanisa hiko, mashule makubwa kama Cardinal Tunga High School na zingine ni maneno ya kanisa. Pia mambo ya kanisa ndiye inaleta amani, mambo ya reconciliation, mediation na maneno ingine ambao inaleta amani kwa nchi yetu ya Kenya. Na hii kanisa ikisaidiwa itakuwa na watu wengi wazuri, na kanisa wale ambao wanafuata kanisa kazi yao ikifanyika vizuri, hakuna wezi, hakuna mikora, hata hakuna maandamano, hakuna maneno ingine mbaya.
Abasae kurwase county ya Kericho anene bari barengete gochikorigie ibirogo by'oborae aho chimia kerebosio nigo bono banyarire bagwesokia na gokwanda nene ari bagwetera none kero bagosoka korigie ibirogo ebyo ase bono bateruna batagete kobwatisiwa na kwegwa maigerio yochiko babarai gochiasa matuko aribosi bagokwana ase county yo anene ase geikaro kenyarite gekwariganiwa na Miss President Dialogue ase nsemeyo eibono nero yarura maigerio ase nsemeyo nigo bateruna na barabwo nerenga kiao batageire gwesokia na korigia ibirogo ao anene kero bagokwanira ribaga riomosae omonyaroka ng'akiara chikoba ase ibirogo ao by'oborai ase amatuko aribosio.
Religion was one of the issues, and marital status. I really had challenges in that part, whereby nobody knew much about the Muslim society, the Muslim community, the Muslim religion, and they felt like I'm not really part of them.
This is a dialogue that entails both men and women. For this conversation and change to happen, we cannot just do it with women alone. We need the men involved so that, we can see, what are the problems? How can these women get opportunities together?
At a policy level, at the grassroots level, a lot is missing out. When we talk about having a 2/3 gender rule in parliament, and that has not been realized, then we have to go back to the drawing board and ask ourselves exactly where did we go wrong and when did the rain start beating us.
And so there is need to continue to make the case for more women to get into political leadership, particularly competitive elective political leadership. And so that is one of the reasons why we are here and having this conversation in
Kerobono timweli ya Azimio moja wa ni Kenya moneli ya Kenya Kwanza paendelea kubeko boroso wechingwana ejitakeire kurigereria ense ya Kenya na kubeko boroso nigo bone nsemo ya bamenyi kurwa nsemo ya Nyatike yegotoka se county ya Migori banyarire bagweso kena batabuna barabu mbaro chikende gyonsi gose obuya bwechingwana echo asibadena okuno gotuguta enibo y'Abakenya nigo bono baborire buna bari banyarite bagochorwa bakora emirimo na bari batachoretwe baganye chinga kichabo ekorotena niribuya bone serikali ekora emirimo yabo.
Dr. William Samoei Ruto and Rigathi Gachagua the deputy wakae kwa hiyo viti mbili, wakae wholeheartedly, because that's their seat. Hii mambo ya kukata mundusi mikati hatutaki. We want them to sit there, wakae, so they can lead the people of Kenya vile inatakikana. Hatutaki mambo mingi. They won, walienda kwa Supreme Court, they won again. So what else do they need? Sisi kama watu wa Nyatike, we are not supporting the bombers of Kenya meeting. It is not going to help us. They are looking for their own chakula while the people of Migori County and Nyatike are suffering. Pamuru. It's true. We cannot waste our time anymore. We cannot waste our time. Let us rally behind William Samoei Ruto and Dr. Rigathi Gachagua. These two giants, sons of Kenya, Rigathi Gachagua and Dr. William Samoei Ruto, they have given us a very serious cake. Pahali ya Oyugi PC, ndio Raymond Omolo ameingia. One of the most intelligent Luos, Raymond Omolo from Omabay County here. Owalo from Siaya. We have never had those kinds of people.
Igabamenya bukorwa sensemeyo ya Nyatike nigo bamuboririe umurai bwense Dr. William Ruto amono mokonyo yeli gatiga shawa akwene kiburango korera bara Abakenya beremo eri babachorerete ekyagera ekina chinga gichabo batakeire gukora magendero tali okonya kurigeria chinsemo gose konya kurigeria ali Abakenya osabara ibande bagokwana so gutwanya obokoreri bwabo.
Nataka Ruto afanye kazi yake. Tafadhali tuwache president wetu afanye kazi, because under President William Ruto already we have seen the fruit of his labor. As people of Nyatike, we've been marginalized. We've suffered enough under this regime of Odingaism. We are not supporting any one-man thing. Right now, we are supporting President William Samoei Ruto.
Where possible, the Madamano thing. And I want to tell the public that Madamano is not safe with us. Last time, as I was watching news, I saw a lady crying, oh, choka, choka, miauru choka, like In fact, do not play with life. Don't play with life. That lady shed tears because youth never noted that point that William Samoei told the public that please do not go for the maandamano. This time round, Nyatike people, let us learn from that act.
Omokonyi bumurai bwense rigathika shagwa ni gaterune serikali ya Kenya Kwanza igendete kubika imirubirio yokwena guna kwimukire birengwa byobore mianene ase ekawa asibana deruna nigego jikwene kwena ngurwa abaibi bekawa osibali banyare bakwirani obore mibwekawa nemeremende gosinobore mbonde hasense ya Kenya ligaya kwana yali tukurero ekero arenge asense meri ya Nairobi Coffee Exchange ekarabana ba airigora bene omurubirio yo bugojigosira baremi asense ya Kenya.
Sisi kama ambao tuko serikalini tutashikana mikono kabisa ili tabu ambao mumepata ya kukosa kazi, kukosa elimu, kukosa pesa kupeleka huyo dem pahali ambao atajienjoy, si ndio? Kukosa pesa hata we mwenyewe ujienjoy kabisa kabisa kabisa. Lakini kupata pesa lazima tufanye kazi, si ndio? Kufanya kazi lazima pia tuachane na zile vitu ambazo zinatusumbua, si ndio? Wangapi wanataka kusaidiwa na mama? Mama, si ndio? Ndio mumefika hapa, si ndio?
Mimi naweza kuambia kitu moja watu wangu. Lazima tucheki venye tutasare madre, si ndio? Madre haiwezi tupeleka pali. Mimi mwenyewe kitambo nilikuwa kama ombidho mbaya. Nilikuwa kamnyweso mbaya. Lakini angalia pali God amenifikisha, si ndio? Lazima ubadilike kwanza ndio uanze kufikiria maisha yako, si ndio?
Tungependa na nyinyi mwe mmetoka kwenye hiyo na tunasaidisha hiyo, ndio tuko hata na wale watu wa housing ndio wanajenga manyumba ambayo tunaweza kuishi.
Omwanju muri barongo sabo kwabera sokuburukana wechiviche cyo kyagera story ya rura sembeo neri abarai bakoraho no mugumende bwe county ya Nairobi abu Estabasaris ekaroba ruire eira yogo jikwena kibuna nkubwate sibale umurugi bw'omokonyi bw'umurai bwense Dorcas rigati erikurwania maryogo yogotindi ekarobarenga sensemo ya Nairobi kosabo kwabera asokuburukana chibiche jikorende tigatsuke bosi ngotebono inkoretere ya Dorcas kashagwa ekero awo kwanete buna ni gatagete gojikurwania ebinyuwa ense ya Kenya ekarobona abuli abasa wetanga koru asobotumeki wa maryogo yogotindia ense ya Kenya tuturema kidolkas rigati anyarithika okwana nere iguru yokurwani uko kwa maryogo yogotindia
kuwa huko kwa ghetto. Wale walikuwa wanaonanga mitandao, ninawakwambia mimi nilitoka ghetto ya Kiandutu. Kama ungekuja 1972 ungenipata hapo. Unfortunately wengine hawakuwa wamezaliwa. Lakini kutoka Kiandutu, kutoka Korogosho, kutoka Sinai, kutoka pale tumetoka, haijalishi, Mungu atawabariki, wacha niwaambie. Kama mungeniona siku hizo hata nyinyi mko wasafi bwana. Uzuri tu Mungu alinizuia sikuchoma. Na ninamshukuru sana, kama nilikuwa nimechoma hivi, sasa singekuwa hapa. Na sasa mungepata mama wapi? Mokoro angetoka wapi? Na ndio nimesema kwa sababu Mungu alinisaidia. Unajua mimi nikiwaangalia hivi, watu wengi wakiwaona vile mumevaa, wanafikiria ni watu ambao hawawezi hawafai, lakini nyinyi hawa ni watu wazuri sana. These are very good people, that is what I'm saying. These are my children. I have been working with them. I come from a background like that one. And it is possible when you see them the way they are, you may think that they don't know the direction. They just need to be guided. These are great men.
Bono mwanjumureti angiranire ase umuganori bw'omokonyi bw'omurai bw'enseri katika shawa asaterune serikali nigo yabekire miroberio kwenda kibuna nkurwani bare abaibi bari bakoiba ikawa gosobokora bwe kawa boigo asuboremi abasense yeito yakendiga yakwanayo ase ogochakia ensemeli ya Nairobi Coffee Exchange ase kirenga bune serikali nigo yabekire eri miroberio yoboremi asense ya Kenya.
Rais akisema tufanye hii mabadiliko, tulijua vita itakuwa kali, si ati hatujui. Tulijua. Hao watu unajua sasa kutoa nyama mdomo ya mtu lazima atakuuma. Lazima. Si ndio? Yani you must be prepared. So tunajua. So hii vita itakuwa kali lakini tuko tayari kwa sababu lazima mkulima apate jasho lake. Lazima mkulima apate jasho lake. Na serikali ambaye italegeza pesa kwa mkulima ya kahawa ni serikali ya William Samoei Ruto. Na tutafaulu kwa sababu Rais William Ruto na mimi na hao mawaziri hatuna any interest kwa hii mambo ya kahawa. Interest yetu ni ile kahawa tunaweza kuwekewa kwa kikombe kunywa. That is as far as our interest goes. Na kwa hivyo hawa watu ambaye wamekuwa wako hapa katikati ya mkulima
ase jinga kiecho nigo gashagwa nyarire kagosemia baremi ikwende koira baro boyo bori bwe serikali ligo lirinse erikogenderie oboremi bwabo ase ya Kenya.
Mimi nataka kutangazia wakulima wa kahawa katika Kenya. Serikali yetu imetoa mbolea ya 2,500 per 50 kg bag. Nyinyi wakulima, society officials wakimwambia mnunue fertilizer ya 5,000 msikubali, because we have fertilizer for 2,500 ambaye imefanywa imekuwa subsidized na serikali. Kwa hivyo hata cooperative officials, hata tukisema hii watu ya marketers wabadilike wakuwe watu wazuri, hata sisi wale tunasimamia societies we also must reform. So we are going to have reforms. When we are doing the Coffee Act, zitaenda sababa with the Cooperative Act. Because if you deal with one without the other, you are not solving anything. So the two acts will go together, so that we also create good governance in our societies. Because we have a governance gap. Pale kwa society pia iko shida. And that is why you find the cost of production is too high. Because ile charges imewekwa pale kwa society na kwa factory, it is too much. And that is something else that we are going to address. So it will be painful for everybody. For the marketers, it will be painful. For wrong society officials, it will be painful. But all that pain is worth it. The final beneficiary of that pain is the coffee farmer in the Republic of Kenya.
Pia wana mwanju muri Ndizi TV asukira libagalia ulia bene kumanya ali ande the wateka na isikia Gusii na alikora wa Chinsa ikominingira na SMS ngumanya ali ande the wateka ime na isikio ya Gusii kurenda chinga kechi gani ngojo aseyamo oika as Camerbag gose asoma waganio Camerbag as tokonya na Christabel atore tere umurubiri bwa bana oyo ore ya maseyamo kurwa sensemeyo oyo maikani na Calfo week yugo chakari tukora lero uchukwera litko olia Jumapili yugo bana toraira mwana waro ikansense meyo bono nabo kuri TV yao endebwe aliganie esenga ankyo oire abana ba sense meyo yugo moroberio yo okoreto ya mase ya mukuru wa sense media Camerbag umaikada na Calfo week ekero koreto na Christabel kere timu ya Ndizi TV ere sense meyo kone na wakirembia mono karanda kuri ya Ndizi TV na Nairobi Gusii Joshua Auta twabadana nere kuri wa sense media yo monwe manyererio abigari nyanja mwene kuna malio ya gocheira senjera ya bene kuna botamberiane Brighton Makori ngote na gendera kuriria Ndizi TV na Nairobi Gusii ya mase ya mawika sense media ya Camerbag.